How do I check my activated gift card balance?
Hello there, welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we will be walking you through the steps on how to check your activated gift card balance. No more guessing games about how much you have left to spend, let's get straight into it.
What you'll need.
The first step in checking your gift card balance is to have the necessary information at hand. Generally, you will need the gift card itself. This is because the card number and PIN, if there is one, are usually printed on the back of the card. The phone number or website URL related to the card. These are usually provided on the back of the gift card and provide a direct route to checking the card balance.
Checking online.
One of the easiest and most common ways to check your gift card balance is online. Here's how. 1. Find the website URL on the back of your gift card. This is usually printed somewhere near the card number or PIN. 2. Enter the URL into your web browser. 3. Follow the instructions provided by the website. These will generally ask for your card number and PIN. By following these steps, you should be able to see your current card balance.
Checking via phone.
If you can't check your balance online, or you prefer a more human touch, you can check your gift card balance via phone. Here's how. 1. Find the customer service phone number on the back of your gift card. 2. Dial the number and wait for the automated menu or a customer service representative. 3. Provide your card number and PIN, if needed. After these steps, they should be able to provide your current card balance. And that's it. Now you know how to check your activated gift card balance, whether it's online or over the phone. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video was helpful. Remember, always keep track of your balances to make the most of your gift cards. Happy shopping!